Hey Teddy, my LinkedIn master. Good to see you.
Hey, buddy, good seeing you, man. How's the weather over that side of the in Nashville area?
You know what? It's mild. It's beautiful. Ain't no snow. Ain't no ice. It's all good.
It's all good. So good seeing you, buddy.
Thanks. I've had this question, and it's about LinkedIn, and it's about conversations. I keep hearing that people who use LinkedIn successfully know how to use LinkedIn for conversations. Now, I do the Facebook thing and the Instagram thing, but I don't do the LinkedIn thing. So could you tell me how does that work, and how does it work in relation to building your business versus a social thing like happy birthday? Give me an example of what that looks like.
So, Javier, here's the analogy. Let me give you an analogy that'll give you a true story.
Okay.
The analogy is, look, you and I do this all the time, man. We put on our best shirt. We brush our hair, make it look good. I don't know about you, dude, but every now and then I've got to trim the forest, and I got a nice shirt, clean pants, shiny shoes, and I show up at a fantastic networking event.
Yeah.
We do that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So then we walk in the room and we look in the room, we realize, oh my golly, half the people in here love us.
Mm-hmm.
The other half of the people have never met us, but they may be relevant to us.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Get that picture?
Mm-hmm.
You
Yes.
see that?
Yes.
And here's what I know you don't do and I don't do.
Mm.
But here's what many people do. They walk in there, they stand up against the edge, and they hold their drink, maybe with a biscuit in his hand, maybe with a pile of business cards in their pocket, and they do nothing.
Mm.
Or they may just walk up to their buddies and say hi.
Mm.
That's failure.
Mm.
Failure.
Mm.
That's what people do on LinkedIn every day. They get help to build this beautiful LinkedIn profile that looks absolutely gorgeous. They build a huge LinkedIn network of people who love them in some way or another and are relevant to them in some other way, and they do nothing.
Yeah.
Because it's the conversation that creates value. Javier sent me a message a while back, and he said, Teddy, I had no idea what you were talking about until I experimented with it.
Mm.
And what I teach people in my mastermind group is to experiment. He said, dude, I started getting into conversations that are relevant to my business. I started engaging in conversations with others, and people started to pay attention to me.
Hmm.
He said, I've gotten business from that.
That's really, really intriguing and something I've never done that clearly I need to do. But you're Teddy Burris. You're the LinkedIn expert, and I'm not sure what Javier's business is, but if I'm not the great Teddy, can I do it in my business? I mean, how do I initiate that on my own LinkedIn profile?
Yeah, so it's anybody. I mean, LinkedIn is a social networking, professional engagement tool. It's not a sales tool. And I don't care what your business is. I've coached people in music, dance, theater, legal, health, government, all kinds of industries, travel industry across the globe, all kinds of industries. It's irrelevant. It's human to human engagement. And the answer is absolutely right. If you learn through places like my mastermind group, the right kinds of ways to engage, the right kind of content to share, the right kind of conversations to get into, it's industry or role agnostic. Okay. Anybody can do it.
Yeah. Okay. So tell us, make the connection between your LinkedIn mastermind and this concept of conversations to help build business. Are you going to cover that? And how does that work? How do we get involved to learn that?
So it's called engagement. And in the mastermind group, one of the units that we have, there's about five units. One of the units we have is engagement. Okay. And we'll talk about how to engage. We'll talk about how to share content. We'll talk about, and we'll experiment. Stuart, you're in there. I'm going to ask you to share something. And then I'm going to play with you when you share something.
Yeah.
So absolutely, this mastermind group is going to give people the skills better than that, it's going to help them refine the skills they have now, because this is nothing new.
Right.
Refine it. Yeah.
Yeah. So even I can do this, you think?
Absolutely, buddy. Absolutely. I know you can, man. So.
And where do I go? Give me that URL again.
Linked Sales Pro. LinkedSalesPro.com.
Okay.
And when I share this video in the descriptions and the comments, so I'll put the link in there as well. LinkedSalesPro.com. And by the way, the window's tight. We shut down registration on the 22nd. Shut it down. And there are gifts for people who sign up early. So sign up early and you get some magical gifts that I'm not going to talk about here. You got to sign up to hear about them, but they're cool gifts.
Very cool. I look forward to it. Thanks, Teddy.
Hey, buddy, thanks for the invite. You have a great day.